Oh. Oh, now it's expanding, look. Whoa, that's alright. Whoa. Oh, rapid rate of knots now. Well, this is a first. The lady of the house suggested I might like to film this, and apparently it's a mattress in a box. Mattress in a box. Never heard of such a thing. Anyway, well, let's drag it inside. It's for one of the spare rooms. Let's drag it inside and see what happens. Let's go and bring it in. I should put this in.
It's only one guy.
Oh, it's not light. It's not light. Yeah, this is going to be a job. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, straight back. There you go, straight back. Push it away. You watch your GoPros right on your bum. What?
Should be.
Let's have a little peek in the hole there. Oh. Apparently it's all sprung into place. I don't know, let's find out. Okay, so apparently it's maybe going to go this way somehow. I'll leave it to you to unbox. I'm just the cameraman. Okay. I've never heard of such a thing. So this is a queen size?
Yes.
It doesn't explode in your face. Oh, so come up. What a weird idea. Weird idea. Right. Right. Okay. Join us next week when we have car in a box unboxing. It won't be a Tesla. Oh, okay. Well, it isn't quite like one of the Navy rafts, but we have a bed and mattress in a box with a lot more cutting involved. I thought from what you were saying you just kind of cut the box open. Oh, there's the scissor mark there, and it springs open, but we have the scissors. Outtake. Just careful not to poke holes in the mattress. Oh, it's unfurling itself. Maybe just rip so you don't.
Yeah, can't. It's just
Scissors are definitely involved. Just cut there. Keep away from children, make all suffocation. Keep away from children. We might have to speed this up. It's terrible to just be the cameraman. And there's another layer of plastic under it. Excellent. Hey, wait. Is it making noise?
Yes. Because I've pierced.
Oh no.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, quickly.
There.
She's pierced the plastic, which means it's starting to unfurl by itself, I think. It's maybe how not to do it. While the oven timer's going off as well. Oh, quick.
Yeah.
And now it's going to be stuffed. The thing's starting to expand by itself. Do not pierce the inner layer before the outer layer is off. Oh! Okay. It's still got another layer. Oh, okay, yeah, that looks good. Camera. I think it's maybe upside down too. You can hear the air doing what it's doing. Can you see it expanding? What a weird idea. It needs to be flipped. Yeah, this should be flipped. Let's just flip it. I mean, upside down this way. Mind you, we could just let it expand and then deal with it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that.
Okay.
Oh, now it's expanding, look. Whoa, that's alright. Whoa. Oh, rapid rate of knots now. Oh. Well, there we go.
Oh, can it get over there?
There we go. There we go. Mattress in a box. Still expanding. Almost there.
I don't know if that's...
And then you leave it for 24 hours, I believe, to be fully expanded.
That's the top.
Now we have lots of spare plastic. And cardboard to lay on when I service cars. So after 24 hours, you just let it fully raise, and there you have mattress in a box. I think really the benefit is it's easier for them to store in a warehouse. So after 24 hours, that should be nice and firm. What's it like to sit on? Feels like a mattress. Well, it's a beautiful day, and thank you for joining me for a rather weird video. Then again, what isn't weird on my channel? Join us next week when we'll have expanding house in a box. Or maybe not. Speak to you soon. Cheers.